Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. My mission is to share Earth's biodiversity with you one species at a time. Here is our next plant species, marsh pink. This beautiful plant is endemic to the eastern United States. It is only found along the coast from Massachusetts, south to Florida, and east to Louisiana. They are found only in salt marsh habitats. I just wanted to take some time out of our busy lives to share this beautiful plant species with you. On Lifers, all plants, animals, and fungi are included, one species at a time. This species is endangered in New York, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any